A smartly innovated car key solution. Skip the hassle of going to a key maker, locksmith, or pricey car dealership appointment for a key fob replacement. Get our key replacement kit instead. It comes with a simple key programmer, and the key fob has interchangeable 5 and 7 button pads. Note: the programmer will be linked to a single vehicle VIN upon use. After this, it cannot be used to program keys for a different vehicle. Complete with essential buttons, one key fob has all the necessary buttons that are most important for regular use: lock, unlock, and panic buttons. There's an optional remote start button that only works if your car was manufactured with this specific feature. Compatible with various vehicles. Do you own a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, or Volkswagen? We got you covered. Our remote start fob replacement kit is created to fit different models of these car brands. Note: check details for car year, make, and model compatibility. Quick and easy DIY installation. Connect our key fob programmer to your vehicle and install it in less than 10 minutes without the help of a professional car key programmer. Note: you'll need your existing car key to start the engine and install. A practical and user-friendly choice, we offer you a car key fob that's economical. It saves you time and effort as well. You can program up to 8 key fobs for a single vehicle. All you need is just one working key to get started. Additional keys are sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great alternative to dealer key fobs. Had some trouble with the instruction manual. For example, it mentions a light under the panic button, but on my fob it was in the center of remote. Was able to figure out the programming after some tries and worked perfectly. Even programmed extra keys from another vendor without an issue. Highly recommend it. Save time and money not going to dealer. Avoid being scammed by local auto locksmiths. This is a simple and cost-effective solution. Note to seller: could offer a 2-key pack, rather than just 1 key. 1 key for $99 or 2 for $119 would have been a better value.